Hello everyone. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to upload images to Canva in 2026. Whether you want to use your own photos, logos, or graphics, Canva makes uploading images quick and easy. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to Canva. Sign in to your Canva account. Once you're on the Canva homepage, open an existing design or create a new one. In the editor, look at the left sidebar and click Uploads. Next, click the Upload Files button. A file browser window will open. Browse to the folder where your image is saved, select the image you want to upload, and click Open. Wait a few seconds while Canva uploads the image. Once the upload is complete, you'll see the image appear in the Uploads panel. To add the image to your design, simply click on it or drag and drop it onto the canvas. You can resize the image by dragging the corners, move it to a different position, or crop it using the toolbar if needed. Canva automatically saves your changes while you work, so you don't need to save the design manually. When you're finished, click Share, then select Download. Choose your preferred file format, such as PNG, JPG, or PDF, and click Download to save your design. That's it. You've successfully uploaded images to Canva. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more Canva tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.